In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Notion with Zapier for a faster, smarter workflow. Are you manually copying information into Notion every time you get a new email, form submission, or spreadsheet update? What if your Notion database could update itself automatically? I'm going to walk you through how to use Zapier with Notion so you can automate your workflow, save time, and keep everything organized, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your apps so they talk to each other automatically. Think Gmail, Google Sheets, Typeform, Slack, and Notion working together. In Zapier, automations are called zaps, and each zap has two parts, a trigger and one or more actions. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. It answers, when should this run? For example, when a new email arrives, when someone submits a form, or when a new row is added to a spreadsheet. Once that happens, Zapier moves to the action. An action is what happens next. In our case, the action will be inside Notion. That could be creating a new database item, updating an existing page, finding a page, or adding content to a page. To build this, head to the Zapier website, log in, click Create, and choose Zap. You'll land in the Zap Builder. For our example, we'll create a new task in Notion whenever someone fills out a form. In the Trigger section, search for your form app like Google Forms or Typeform, and select the event called New Response or New Entry. Continue, connect your account, and allow access. Then test the trigger so Zapier pulls in a sample submission. That sample will help you map data into Notion. Now, add an action and search for Notion. Select it and choose the action event, most commonly Create Database Item. Continue and connect your Notion account. If you don't see your database later, open Notion and share that database with Zapier so it has permission to access it. Then return to Zapier and continue. Choose the Notion database where new items should go. You'll see all the fields from that database. Map each field to data from your trigger, like setting title from the form's name, email from the email field, and message from the message field. Match field types carefully and fill any required fields. Continue and run a test. Zapier will create a real test item in your Notion database. Open Notion to confirm everything looks right. Finally, publish and turn your Zap on. From now on, each new form submission creates a Notion item automatically. A quick real-world example. If you track content ideas, adding a new row in a Google Sheets Video Ideas tab can instantly create a matching item in your Notion content calendar, complete with title, description, and status. No copying and pasting. You can also turn emails into tasks, save leads into a CRM database, log feedback, track support requests, and update project boards. Build it once, let it run in the background, and expand as your needs grow. Now you know exactly how to connect Zapier with Notion and start automating your workspace.